Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this head unit special for Nissan Qashqai X-Trail Rogue 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Let me open the box. It comes with big box. You can check head unit is good condition. This is special harness. Okay, you can check this special head unit for Nissan. Okay, let me show the harnesses first. Okay, you can check this special for Nissan X-Trail Qashqai Rogue. It will come with this compass box, decoder box. Okay, this connector connects to our back head unit. Okay, let me check the connector. This power and the speaker connector. You can check. Okay, and this radio antenna. Okay, you can check this connector. Speaker. And this connector, this AUX input, and this connector. Okay. This connector comes with the AUX put and the camera input. Factory camera can be work. Okay. And this is external microphone. This camera input. This AUX X-Trail AUX input, and this AUX input is connect our back of head unit, this video input, and this original USB. USB cable, and this audio cable, this subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2, and this video out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this audio cable. Let me show the head unit. can check this front panel and the side. Okay. And the back. You can check this come with GPS antenna. This GPS antenna connection. And come with long cable, USB cable to USB, and this external microphone. This Wi-Fi antenna. These connectors for audio cable, AUX cable, and other cable. This power, this fuse. Okay. There are two this screw. Please take it out before using. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check header unit will be start. Okay, started. Please take out this screw protector before using. Screw protector. Brightness you can adjust. And the lamp press you will change the wallpaper. It's supposed to change the leave wallpaper. Okay. You can check this data and time update the GPS and the network like Wi-Fi. Its home button, its volume, its next and the knob, its DVD player, its built-in microphone, its mute, it take out the DVD, SD card, two SD card slots on front panel. This band for radio. You can search the radio stations. Disc. The back. This navy button is built in Google Play Store. Okay. All apps are here. Very fast response. And let me check the settings. About machine, you can check the MCU version, CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, is PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total storage 64 GB. And car settings, is personal settings. It's autoplay music from USB or SD card. It's power AC delay and auto illumination. Vehicle battery, Bluetooth mode, night mode. And navigation, you can set the Google Maps. Navigation sound, GPS monitor. You can test the GPS. They are already connected GPS antenna. You can check to GPS work normal. And German settings, you can change the turn on or turn off reserve volume. To watch video, you can turn on or turn off. It's for real backup camera, display ruler, tracking display, X mirroring. It supports steering wheel control. You can set the steering wheel control on these buttons. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.